When we were getting to the flooring selection during the building process here, some of the options were Du Chateau and, the other things that just kind of always get presented to you. Ann and I are both like, no, it's going to be Carlisle. There's just not even a question for us.
We built the house before this in New Hampshire 30 years ago, and we didn't know what we were doing. From the very first moment I met Carlisle, I was just like, oh my gosh, we can't rip up our floors, but I want to rip them up so bad. From that day, I was going to have Carlisle floors at some point in my life. Wasn't going to be in that house, but we're really lucky we got to do it in this house.
Getting to know the product more, it just was one of those things where that's something we need. We love the white plank side of things. But for me, the other thing is just the integrity of the whole Carlisle firm. They're going to stand behind their product. It really comes down to trust, but also the quality and craftsmanship. The old house was fabulous and it served us well, but it really was dated and we needed to kind of start over. The discussion that Ann and I had was that we wanted this to be generational, something that would live long past us and our boys could take advantage of.
It had to evolve so that we could accommodate the family and the friends and all the things that we wanted to do. And there were certain hurdles we couldn't get past with the old house. It didn't feel good tearing down a house, but in the end, it was definitely the right decision. We went to the showroom and we customized the finish. I was one of those people concerned. We have a big dog with big nails and all the things that go down in life. And I was particular about the fact that I wanted it to be warm and living like that. It was a back and forth process. Being able to see everything at the showroom in Stoddard was really helpful.
When I come home after the hectic days that we have, you walk in the door and it really just feels calming, and it really starts with the floor. It starts with the floor for me. We have so much of it. You just feel like, okay, the stresses of what just went down for the day are gone. Now we're in our happy place.
I was absolutely adamant that every square inch of these two floors had wood. I truly feel that wood floors throughout a home really elevate the space and the quality of the home. That was really important to me.
Friends that come over for the first time, that walk in, first thing they say, I love the floors. It's kind of a common refrain. We get used to that.
There's a limited set of options with Du Chateau. You call Carlisle and you got somebody. And within no time, we had everything we needed. I don't know, it just felt good.
That's the value of doing business with somebody like Carlisle versus a large flooring company. It's just never going to have that option. Carlisle's, let's make it happen, and they did.